Video, Nikki.
Hi.
So we are at the Hoover Dam. This dam place is ridiculously humongous. As you can see, they're building a new bridge to accommodate against the crowd, the tourists. It looks amazing actually from here. It's hanging bridge, just like my, you know what I'm saying? That's the dam. And more mountains. And this is our official car. And I believe in the background right behind us, it is Lake Mead. And more mountains. And here's Chulala. It's me. We have probably about 4 more hours to go to or for Grand Canyon, so we'll see you there. We'll do another taping. Bye. Alam mo lang, picture dalawa tayo.